Welcome back to the Grow Garden Project. Today we are going to learn about care and maintenance of your plants. We hope you have been taking good care of your seedlings and your seeds thus far. Fertilizer is a very important part of the growth process. You do not want to skip it. A lot of these you can find over the counter at your agri shop. In my hand I have an example of Nutrex, which dissolves in water. So this is what it would look like, and it is made up of NPK, which is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Now another example of this is blow corn, which are granules, and you mix those directly into the soil, or you could just place them on top of the soil. Now with this example, the Nutrex, you want to water around your plant and not on top of the leaves or anything, but the soil around the plant. So simply use this to help your plants grow big and strong and give you yummy food. This is an example of a weed. Weeds compete with your plants, or they fight with them for nutrients and for space. So you do not want them in your vegetable garden. A simple way of getting rid of weeds is to pull them out with your hand, or if you have any tools, a hand shovel or a fork, you just dig them out from the root and you throw them as far away from your bed as possible, because you do not want them to grow back. Combine this with some of our other care and maintenance tips and you're on your way to having a fantastic vegetable garden. Another tip that you want to use in your garden is molding. Now you can use your hands or you can use your garden tools. This is a little shovel and you want to mold around your plant. Let me show you how we mold our plants. Now you want to loosen up the soil around the plant. Be careful not to damage any roots, and this will help aerate the soil. And once you get it nice and loose, you're going to pile it around, make like a heap around your plant. Be sure not to damage any leaves, but get that nice and propped up. Now this allows the soil to get aerated. Pull out any weeds, it gets aerated, so water will go through nice. You can get some air down there and your plant will grow healthy and roots will have room and space to spread out. So that's a simple molding technique right there. Alright guys, to summarize, your care and maintenance tips are watering, mulching, molding, fertilizers, weeding and staking. Bonus tip: talk to your plants, tell them a little joke, stroke them, be nice to them. Plants love that kind of care and attention, just like a pet. So be sure to talk to them, be nice to them, treat them gently, and you will see how much fruits and vegetables they would give you. So right now, this is such a darling pimento, you know. Stroke them gently, look at the beautiful fruit, think about the food you're going to cook with them. That's it for our care and maintenance tips. Be sure to take care of your seedlings and see you in our next video.